Hi, welcome back to Easy Peasy. Let's learn acronyms. LOL. Laugh out loud. Laugh out loud. SMH. Shaking my head. Shaking my head. KIT. Keep in touch. Keep in touch. IRL. In real life. In real life. VP. Vice President. Vice President. AD. Anno Domini. Anno Domini. RIP. Rest in peace. Rest in peace. DIY. Do it yourself. Do it yourself. POV. Point of view. Point of view. IQ. Intelligence quotient. Intelligence quotient. IAC. In any case. In any case. ELI 5. Explain like I'm 5. Explain like I'm 5. TIA. Thanks in advance. Thanks in advance. FTFY. Fixed that for you. Fixed that for you. ICYMI. In case you missed it. ICYMI. In case you missed it. ASAP. As soon as possible. As soon as possible. LCD. Liquid crystal display. Liquid crystal display. LED. Light emitting diode. Light emitting diode. VIP. Very important person. Very important person. TMI. Too much information. Too much information. BAE. Before anyone else. Before anyone else. UFO. Unidentified flying object. Unidentified flying object. ATM. Automated teller machine. Automated teller machine. FAQ. Frequently asked questions. Frequently asked questions. PIN. Personal identification number. Personal identification number. SIM. Subscriber identity module. Subscriber identity module. AC. Air conditioner or alternating current. Air conditioner or alternating current. ET. Extraterrestrial or Eastern Time. Extraterrestrial or Eastern Time. POTUS. POTUS. President of the United States. President of the United States. SCUBA. Self-contained underwater breathing apparatus. Self-contained underwater breathing apparatus. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, hit the like button. Do share it with your friends. Subscribe the channel and click the bell icon for notifications. Take care. Bye-bye.